Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox Piggy character. This time it's gonna be a very cool looking Kolie. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2-speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this with a Sharpie line by line. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch, and I'm going to be putting this to the side, so I'm just going to use this as a reference, and then I'll show you guys how to draw it with a Sharpie right here. Okay, so to begin, we're going to draw in the hat first. So just going to be one line across. And then from here, I'm going to draw the bottom portion. So just one smooth curve. Okay, and then let's finish up the top. So this part's easy, it's just going to go up pretty much like a half circle. And then for the details inside, just two lines right in the middle. And that's gonna give us the hat. So now let's draw in the circular face. So for this part, we're just gonna come down all the way around. And I always kind of find it a little bit easier to draw a circle by drawing a bracket first. And then just connect up the bottom. Just try to round it out as best as you can. Okay, so now that we have the overall face shape, let's draw in the nose right in the middle. So just come to the middle of this space, and we can draw in two lines like this first. And now we just round out the top and bottom. Okay, so let me shade this in real quick so we can see this a little bit better. Hopefully you guys will like this new format so that you can kind of see what I'm trying to draw here, okay, instead of having it underneath and just tracing it. Okay, so from here, let's draw in the eyes. So just come out to the side right here. And the eyes are slightly smaller. Okay, so come across here, one more. And I'm just gonna make it a little bit thicker. Same thing here. And then one dot in the center. That's gonna make it a lot creepier. All right, and then let's see some details right here. So right in the middle from this point, just gonna draw a curve all the way out. And let's draw in the markings later. Let's go ahead and finish up the ears. All right, so for the ears, just come to this corner. Just draw one big curve like this first, kind of like a half circle. And let's draw on the other side so that we can kind of keep it the same size if you can. Now come all the way down to right around here, the nose. And then now we just round it up, connect to the face. Okay, so that's the ears, and then let's draw in the little markings right here. Let's just start right here. Just one little angle. Down, and this one's gonna go up. All right, and then let's see right here. So it could be a little bit messy. You don't have to follow exactly the same. All right, and they're kind of smaller details anyways. All right, so now that we have the head, let's go ahead and draw the body. So for the body right here, just gonna give it a little bit of a shoulder. Now we're gonna come down. And then for the waist right here, just gonna curve it in and then close it off. So that's gonna give us the torso. And let's see, we can add in the little details later. Let's go ahead and finish up the legs. So for the legs, we're gonna start right in the middle right here. Just draw like a little curve. Now we're gonna start on the outside here. Just come down. Let's go back on the inside. I'm just gonna stop right here. So same length coming down here. Now for the foot, just curve out. Same thing on this side. And then on the inside here, I'm just gonna come down. And then we'll just close that off. And to make it a little bit more three-dimensional, just continue the curve right here. Just go in. Okay, so let's come back up here and go ahead and finish up the details then. So right here, this is almost like a belt, the suspenders. So just come across with a thick line, and then I'm gonna draw two more thicker lines right here. Okay, and then for the shirt detail, now I'm just gonna have two lines going straight down. Okay, so that's the upper body, and now let's draw in the arms. So he's gonna be holding his weapons. So right here on the shoulder, just gonna curve down. Then here's the armpit. Just gonna curve, I'm just gonna stop right here first. So now we're gonna draw in his hands. All right, so we're gonna draw in his thumb right here. So just one little U shape. And then now for the rest of the fingers, I'm just gonna draw kind of like a bigger egg shape just right behind the thumb. Okay, so let's draw in the same thing on this side. So coming down, same thing here. Here's the armpit. Give it a slight curve. Same thing here for the thumb. And then another big egg shape. Okay, so now let's draw in those cool weapons that he has. So this is gonna be going at a slant. So just from here, I'm just gonna draw two lines. I'm gonna close that off first. And let's continue down. Finish off the bottom of the handle right here. I'm gonna make it a little bit sharp. Now in this part, we're gonna keep going this way. So we're just gonna draw one big rectangle. All right, and then for the spikes, let's draw in this one first. And then on the sides right here, let's see, there's gonna be two. So just try to space it out evenly if you can. And this one's gonna be touching the ear, so I'm gonna have to erase out some of the lines right there. Okay, and then for the ones that's facing us, just two circles and then one dot. Okay, so same thing here. So we just follow this. Just two lines, close it off, and let's continue on the bottom. Make it sharp. And then same thing here, just one big rectangle. One spike on top, and then same thing here, just 2 more. So these are easy, right? Once you draw on this one's a lot easier to draw. Okay, and same thing here. 2 circles and then 1 dot right in the center. And that is it for this Kolie. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.